Down in Jamaica Box Set Artist Showcase at the Grammy Museum Experience. Jamaican TV Boss and Zbek here in New York.
Oh, go on New York, CEEN with the fun right now.
Who is your favorite reggae artist on Street Bus New York?
You know, say, Bob Marley is my biggest artist of all time.
Great food, fine wine, craft beer, live music, Tilly's, your neighborhood bar. Dan IJ, the reggae sensation from Kingston, Jamaica, is our featured artist on this week's Artist Spotlight.
Then the man a DJ about fire. And Tom say, yes, Capitan and the man who should use on this song. And that's how we go and get Capitan on the song.
You're watching Come Chat With Me, New York's #1 Caribbean lifestyle magazine. And I'm your host, Ziggy Bless. VP Records held their 40th anniversary celebration at Grammy Museum Experience with Busy Signal, Christopher Martin, Janine, and Red Fox.
We're here to celebrate VP Records, which I'm sure you all know. VP, the greatest known reggae label in the world. And when we first started talking about this idea, what we could do together, we thought it's amazing. It's the 40th anniversary. They have this awesome box set out. They have these amazing artists. Why don't we do a night to celebrate that?
The box set, which maybe you know about, it's a 40-year retrospective. It's got 94 tracks, 5 dub tracks. It features 101 artists, including 4 of them who are out in the hallway. And I'm going to beckon them to, maybe they can start to come in. But we're bridging between the box set and 4 of the artists who are on the box set and their individual projects.
Much love to VP Records for really putting out this song, because for so many Jamaicans here, it resonated because, you know, being in the clubs, you want that moment where you think back in the islands, how you used to live. You just want that comfort, and I believe that Jamaica Nights gave them that comfort. I'm in the 32nd year of my professional career, and you know, to really see Down in Jamaica that came out in 1989, been released like about 3 times, you know, and still relevant today. I feel very fortunate, and we give thanks for VP Records for really spreading the music all around the world. Once we focus on God, we stay in tune, and when we stay in tune, we're never out of tune. You know what I mean? We're into nature, we're into farming, we're into natural life. So it always, the vibration of the earth is always kind of giving us what's next to come. So we have like our inside scope and right lyrics and vibration based upon that.
I've been a yoga teacher for the past 10 years, and through that process I have learned a lot about looking inside myself.
About 10 years ago I had the opportunity to train with a yoga master who came to Jamaica, and I studied Iyengar yoga. And since then, I have trained every year in Iyengar, Ashtanga, Yin yoga, Kemetic yoga, just always advancing my practice, you know, and sharing it. So I started my journey with yoga as a teacher, learning, training for 200 hours. I just completed another 300-hour training. So it's just constant practice. And because you're doing so much physical work, and mental and spirit work, like even your nervous system is realigned by this, so I know the benefit, so it makes it crucial for me to share.
Do you draw your inspiration from?
From the Most High, you know, waking up every morning and just being grateful and having a beautiful family. I am so grateful for my family. I think a lot of my inspiration comes from my family and our relationship with, you know, spirit.
Much of what we've been taught to love up there are just moments on the journey here. We must choose what we keep or let go. Believe what you told us, see, God know to eat his own.
I live in the studio. I eat, I breathe, I live music. So if I'm not spending time with my children, if I don't have spare time with like my friends, I'm in the studio, I'm creating.
It's a joy for me personally to be a part of the label. It's a joy for me to see the body of work that they've been a part of, you know, and the artists that they've helped and the artists that they showcase their talent in a big way. I keep my music commercial and very clean. You understand? Because I feel like I'm a very big influence on the kids, not just in my native country, which is Jamaica, but all over the world, the Caribbean, the diaspora, Africa, you name it. You understand? The influence that we have on the kids is great. So I feel like my music should enlighten and teach them something.
I had a chance to show Busy Signal the Down in Jamaica box set at the office, and there was something kind of deliberate I did in the packaging, which I showed in the interior panels of the CDs. I showed 4 generations of VP MCs, which started off with Yellow Man, and then you had Beanie Man, and then you had Sean Paul, and then the last one you have Busy Signal. And I saw the look on his face when he saw that. It was like put things in perspective.
I don't lock myself into a box and try to be like, okay, I just do hardcore dancehall full stop. Nah, I wouldn't be busy. Yeah, I would be dizzy. I'm so honored to be a part of this journey or really take the music to a level and wave the flag across different parts of the world and fuse as well with different genres of music.
Hello, baby, can you come over? Right now, loneliness taking over. I need you tonight, I'm a lover.
Want me up under the cover. Make we rock till the lampshade turn over. Rub my chest, rest your head on my shoulder. I make we listen some Anita Baker. MVP, big up yourself on the box, the sickness. The girls here all. We are representing the music, when we represent the fans, when we represent ourselves, our family. We have to just remember, say, yeah, morals have to do it. And we just keep it going and keep it flowing and keep it busy.
Yeah, man, you don't know, come chat with me. We're there in the street of Brooklyn. Yeah, don't come Brooklyn with there. I will have vibe. And you see right now, I'm running to the actor them, you know, the big actor them from yard. Yeah, hear me? Introduce yourself to our audience, please, my brother.
How you doing? This is Zbek Nelson right here. Wagwan family.
You here?
Yeah. Wagwan New York. You see CEEN with the pan right now. New York live right now.
You're here right now in New York. What is the mission?
Well, I'm currently here working on like several projects. We just did something with Montclair University. I did a movie called In the Room. So much stuff. Some I can't mention. I just have to keep it very brief.
Different countries and different style and different, you know what I mean, culture we try to learn about and adapt to likewise. You know what I mean? Come out of Jamaica and then in America now and try to venture into some other things and build up the fan base likewise too. You know what I mean? Realize that the world a look and the work attack, so we have to explore and I try to create new boundaries. You see me? TV Boss now, yeah. You know what I mean? Grew up in Portland, Buff Bay to be exact. Then around 2009, me end up run come to Kingston, get a AIDS awareness commercial. What kind of did help push me through the gate.
My girl get tested and she alright. That no means that you alright. Afraid of nigga.
So you're not afraid like your friend?
Little finger joke, or them saw your mouth. Sure. How the big man them a move so? One not afraid of, one not afraid of though. Come my girl. I get tested, so I know how I go on. After that, I go Edna Manley School of Arts, you know what I mean, drama school to be exact. Perform 1 year in the pantomime 2012-2013 season of pantomime Anansi and the Goated Soup. Then after that, I venture off in the IT and Fancy Catch show, catch it at season 5, finish the season at season 10. You know what I mean? Along that journey too, we did some music video, and along the journey too, in that same time, I met Zbek.
You know, some hail from Clarendon still, and like how he came from the country and decided to say Kingston the thing there. Yeah, I'm in Kingston, enough time sleeping halfway through park, you know. We reached Kingston, got audition done like real late, and we can't get no country bus to go back home. Halfway through park, the thing there. And then during that same time there, I was going to acting class. And then I'm about him. And I say, yo, Dada, you know, nothing we can run in pan because you me see around the place, you know. I'm going to run in pan the Black Stallion commercial.
This are the real thing. And them even have a brand new look. But it works strong same way. Remember, buy the Black Stallion with the gold sleeve with the logo on the cap. So where you get it to buy? In the gas station or pharmacy. Really? Oh yeah, them gone and could I get it right here for buy.
At one point, me and him did branch off like we never did a link like that. And then we gonna link up on Stesa. And from Stesa drop in here, I don't know we career Stesa.
Weak! Like in badness, shibble down.
Shibble down.
Like a church close.
I that you said, Dada. I lie me a tell. Tell the man now, no lie me a tell.
Let me tell you about streets anywhere we go. Dog them serious. Dog them no nervous. Boy, let me tell you about man we cool like a Eskimo. No boy can go round we. Hey, I know so the things hit me G. One phone call it take to make some boy wipe up her hurt and drop down flat.
Right now, we see the big villa with busy signal right now. CEEN, and the whole of New York seeing the thing, you know. I want to know how that signal happen.
But that New York, Zbek that New York. We not even did know say the project I work on. You know what I mean? Damien Gale flying. And so up that's Damien Gale make busy signal no say, yo, you know say Zbek and TV Boss then I place. And I must say, yeah. Alright. After me I go there like tomorrow, they could do something quick and fast. And a magic. Quick brain.
Show man,
no time, no time, it mats it up. I don't know, every watch I broke we are in a foreign.
100% real when you lane car something will pop off. Me not change.
2020 vision work I put in. You understand? And the world I look. Saying I mean we still offer the awesome entertainment in a music video. You see me, we still get the creativity and the style and make you can laugh. And I say, you see them two youth there, because I know now what you think, you know. I know the system of graphic watch around him, I sell him this fake watch and him run me down. We now look for it continue, you know. So we work on something them want to keep the entertainment.
Audrey, I must commend you. Nice wig.
Wig? Darling, this is all natural. Thanks to Fountain Mighty Roots. Fountain Mighty Roots is the best hair product coming out of Jamaica. Real black Jamaican castor oil and the pimento. It gives my hair a more healthier, bouncy, richer look. Even good for the edges.
Edges? Where can I get it?
Log on to your website, fountainoil.com, and even on Amazon. Fountain Mighty Roots. It's here to save your hair. You owe it to your roots.
Hello everyone, this is Sanaya. I'm here to tell you about my brand new gospel reggae album. The title is called Yes, I Know. With songs like He'll Do It Again, Holy is the Lord, and The Power of God. You can find my songs on iTunes, Spotify, and all digital platforms. Please go out and check it out. It is something you'll never forget. God bless.
Yeah man, you're watching Straight Buzz New York. And you don't know, as they get blessing. And we're in the city today. Yeah. And we are going to find out from the people them who are them favorite reggae artists. You see what I mean? Straight Buzz New York, of course. And you don't know, as they get blessed. How are you today?
I'm okay.
Nice. And what is the name?
Angelo.
Ooh, Angela, it sounds like a Jamaica you come from.
I am Jamaica.
Which part of Jamaica?
Stone.
Johnstone.
12.
See it there? Alright. My question is, who's your favorite reggae artist?
Buju Banton.
Oh, be a Buju so. Why Buju?
I love Buju man, I come here and Buju. I know Buju when I do show New Kingston. And we usually go watch him. Back in the days we are younger, like I'm a young boy, just to come up. Yeah, so till now, anywhere the stage show there. Yeah. Come to New York, anywhere they will find him.
Buju Banton.
Buju Banton. Why is Buju Banton your favorite?
Because he's one of the greatest artists out there. He speaks really truth. His music is really truth, and he's a popular singer.
Buju. You know, say you're the third person to say Buju. Buju Banton. For real, why Buju?
Alright, cause I'm a man, you listen to all of the other people them record them like the Vibes Cartel, Party Man, Drugs Man, sometimes mostly slackness. You listen to the other virgin them, them talk about gun and most of them sound like hip hop artists. You go back, Beanie Man to me sell out long time. Buju are the only artist. Forget what I do with the drug business and get lack of her. But if you listen to all of Buju them record them compared to all of the other virgin them come on film time, me have to say Buju.
What going on, brother?
Yes, everything blessed.
What are your name?
Peter.
Yeah, Peter from, which are you forward from?
Well, Queens, Manhattan, Brooklyn, all about.
Which island?
Jamaica Straight.
Jamaica Straight, man. Which part of Jamaica?
Well, Papi, The
big up Papi, man.
Well, Papi, what yourself, Because I'm me, the original Thailand. See?
Alright, alright, my brother. Who are your favorite artists?
Well, Freddie, Capleton, Sis Line, and Butcher, big man. them man that hold it, so
Yeah.
you know, Lucian, you can't leave him out, you know.
You don't know it going on. So, you know, say, Bob Marley is my biggest artist of all time, you see me? King of reggae, cause him my prophet and him a good singer from Wailing Wailers there, me a listen to him, Sir Coxson's days, you know, so him are my favorite reggae singer of all time, you know.
Great food, fine wine, craft beer, live music at Tilly's in Brooklyn.
My name is Dahlia Lamming Tilly, and I am the owner of Tilly's. And I'm originally from Trinidad and Tobago. I've been living here about 20 years plus. And Brooklyn is, you know, basically home for me. I really want to just offer a variety of things to the community. I feel that there's a lot of diversity here, and you know, we just want to appeal to everyone. During the week, Tilly's is basically, I mean, we are a wine and beer establishment. However, we make amazing cocktails that are all wine-based. We have an amazing spicy margarita. We have a margarita platter with 4 different flavors. We have a Black Dahlia, which is named after me. and that's like also made of a wine-based rum. So what we do is, you know, we kind of try to get creative with the wine cocktails. We feel like, you know, there's a new interest for craft beer wines, as well as the wine-based cocktails.
I see you having a lot of fun tonight.
I'm having a wonderful time.
Very, very nice. And you're from where?
I'm visiting from Montreal. My sister is Red Sahara. And so whenever we get the opportunity to support, we come on down and do that. So we're here at Tilly's with Red Sahara, having a wonderful time.
What brought you here tonight, really?
I'm here with a bunch of friends. We just came for the entertainment.
Oh, you like the vibes tonight?
That was nice. It's a great band. Great. Yeah.
And the food?
Food is delicious.
And I got no place to go now.
Yeah, man, come chat with me. You don't know, Zbek, we're there. Brooklyn, we're there. CEEN? You don't know. Dan IJ sitting next to me right now. The artist who I go, what I rap with him, man? I hear what I go on.
So true. Yo, Dan I them keep it on. And the king of fire. Life will come on. Yeah, the man said. Life. Believe the Jah is eternal life. Better know. From there is life. There must be a way. Life is so precious. Believe it. And I dare not give it up. Life is so precious.
Dan IJ, what going, brother?
Yes, giving thanks to life, you know, and giving thanks to be here with come chat with us.
Yes, man, a real thing, man, a real thing, Dan I. For real. Tell me, Dan IJ, how you get a name like that, man?
You know, say, Dan IJ, I get this name by when I check my real name as M.I.J., which is Michael Ingram Jeffrey. I just say, you know something, I'm not going to change the M to D and call myself Danai J. So D is for a determination, and I is for Ingram, and J is for Jeffrey. And me just put that together and call it Danai J. You know, so me in this business from I was a little tadpole, about 6 years old, when I used to go around singing John Old song named Tonight. That's a long time when I look at you. It's so precious, we need it. Why can't we live it up? Believe it. So we give thanks for life, believe it. Long distance for life, achieve it.
You're in New York right now. You do the thing right now. You have a single with you and Capleton.
Yes.
How that linkage they make?
Well, you know, say, me there up here and I do some tune, and I come up with this song named Life is So Precious. And after I come up with the song named Life is So Precious, I sing it straight. And I have a brother named Tumpy. And Tumpy said, the song, but you need to do a combination. So I was thinking about some artists like Bounty Killer, Beenie Man, and some other artists, Anthony B, and you know. So when I think about it, I say about Capitan, the man a DJ about fire. And some people say, yes, Capitan and the man who should use on this song. And that's how we go and get Capitan on the song. And send the song to Capitan in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And then him like it and say him like it. And him just come up with the style name, give thanks to life.
See.
And that's how we start it off and get it going.
A bad show, you know, big video and thing. We love the energy, love the vibes, you know. So definitely with good promotion that's supposed to get you in some places, man, I lie.
Well, hopefully, because right now some places are long in Africa and them places, people are calling about the song and them thing there. Some places in Europe them are calling about the song and them thing there. So it's a good look on the outside, you know. And you don't know in the United States it a do it for do. And we still promote the song by going around and singing the song all about and thing, you know. So it's a good look with it.
No man can praise in the grave. Only the man that living shall praise him night and day. Life is so precious that I cannot give it up. Life is so precious.
This is a new beginning, a new start, and I saw me start make the song New Beginning. And then I say, wait, new beginning, all year gone, new one come. Make preparation. And I start put the lyrics them and then start to say to the song, stay focused. And from there, I just sit down, meditate, and go into myself and start put some lyrics to it and just call it New Beginning. Because the youth them need a new beginning. It's too much killing, too much, a whole heap of negative thing. I just feel like, you know, the youth them need something positive. And that's why I'm come up with New Beginning. Stay focused.
This is a new year, this is a new start, a new beginning. This is a new year, this is a new start. Me none of the low fame. Old year gone, new one come. Elevate the youth them from out of the slum. Make preparations for the daughters and the son. One and all for the future to come.
Recording and producing music that can teach and inspire. Splicers Working Hard is our Atta Road music video. Atta Road music video. Atta Road.
Working hard, yeah, to reach my goals in life. I'm working hard, yeah. I could have no rain or sunshine. Working hard, yeah. Search until I find. I'm working hard, yeah. All that time goes, I'm on the grind. To the hard-working people me reach out. Aspiring artists, are you in a police force? Go teacher, you sweet proud. You make your own income so you don't feel proud. The future is yours, take control. Striving for a better tomorrow. No time to idle, hunting to find. Working hard, yeah, to reach my goals in life. I'm working hard, yeah. I could have no rain or sunshine. Working hard, yeah. Search until I find. I'm working hard, yeah. All that time boots, I'm on the grind. Out there in the earth, see the plant in the dirt. Moving forward, now reverse. Me up to you, tell me why about to give birth. Been struggling so long, why elevate where me come from? In the city, me son turn, not on no gunman.
Stay connected with Come Chat With Me. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. Thanks for watching Come Chat With Me. See you next week.
Atlantis grand honeymoon setting. Champagne splashing when we're private jetting. Open the door to your heart, me get let in. All night caressing, you'll be wetting and sweating. Ex tell you say you coulda left him but betting. Call on your phone, make him know you forget him. Quit all the worrying, stop all the fretting. Love you say you want to me. I wanna love you, baby. Kiss and touch and hug you, baby.